All right, we'll take one more shot. If you fail this one, we are canceling this bumper. All right, time to do this last take. Take 9. Wow. Just wow. I really cannot believe this. Well, at first, Spiffy Pictures got fired in June. And second, Sesame Workshop got fired in August. And third, Playhouse Disney got fired in October. But for you guys, you both got the logo right. Congratulations. You finally did it for good. But unfortunately, this is the final blooper video with the other logos. The rest of the bloopers will be from PBS.
Oh my freaking gosh. Nick, I can't believe this. We both got the logo right.
Yeah, tell me about it, Junior. This is really awesome.